In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize or how to edit the content preferences for a profile on YouTube Kids. Now, all you need to do is simply open up YouTube, and then all you're going to do is simply tap on the settings icon in the top right corner, enter in the correct answer or set your own passcode. It's completely up to you. And then what you're going to do is simply go ahead and select your profile for your kid, enter in your current password as a parent, and then tap on next. And then from here, you should see the option content settings. So go ahead and select edit settings, and then choose what content you would like them to be watching. So you have preschool, you have younger, you have older, and then you have approved content yourself. So choose the one you would prefer. So for example, you choose older, and then all you need to do is simply tap on the option select, and now that will be the kind of content your child is going to be allowed to watch. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.